No. Oh yeah. No, very wrong. We're at the
Phuket.
domestic Phuket terminal. International Airport domestic terminal.
We're at the international airport in Phuket in the domestic terminal sitting by subway. Hey guys, so good morning and
Goodbye Phuket.
Yay!
Almost. It is our last day, so oh sorry, I just stepped out of the way. I needed a burp. Gotta get our washing, gotta get massage, gotta go to the airport.
yeah. So on our way to get our washing right now, yay! Super excited! Let's go. Tired, good job, tired. You can do it.
We're off to get our washing, then pack our bags because we are leaving Phuket.
Bye, Phuket!
I think it wasn't a long enough stay, only because we got sick, but it was an awesome stay. The place was so good, the food's really good, and the people are lovely. Got washing. Now it's time to pack our bags. We're gonna pack our bags and then we're gonna go and get a massage. We're going to a place that has like 5-star reviews. Everyone says the best massage in Phuket, so pretty excited for that.
Me too.
We'll let you know how it is after. And then after that, we're gonna go to the airport. Yay!
Good job. Bobby, shake that booty. Shake it more. Yay. And often, this is my monstrosity of a backpack. I hate packing because I know that it's always a struggle to be fit back in the bag. Because like it just explodes. I swear it's like not big enough, but like it fits everything until I get to a place and I open it and it just like goes everywhere. Only 2 more weeks and I get my own wardrobe.
Yay!
Where are we, Buffy?
We're at a massage place. It's my birthday present.
Yay!
It's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
So nice in here.
Which one did you get?
I got a foot massage, foot massage, and a head and neck massage.
And which one did I get?
You got a pedicure, foot massage, and a head and neck massage.
Put it so down. You see it? It's like sticking out.
Flip.
Yeah.
Okay. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then there's one up there, but you can't see him. He's in that little box.
Hey guys, we're back.
What a really cool day so far. We got up nice and early, which is a change. We've had our massage, which was really good. And then we went and had some food, had some English food, had a pie, and I had some sausages and mash. It was really freaking good. Then we went to the cat cafe.
Oh my goodness, the cat cafe.
That was so cool.
I love kittens.
So many cats. Makes me want to have a cat cafe because it's just really fun. Because cats are pretty fun when they're like playing and stuff.
They just want to have a proper cafe.
Yeah, that'd be fun too.
All the dogs can like play around and stuff while you eat.
Yeah.
So cute.
Heading back to our homestay, or not homestay, our hotel, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to transfer to the airport.
Yay!
And say bye bye Phuket. Yay!
I got a taro pie. Taro and corn.
Where are we?
We're at the International Airport in Phuket in the domestic terminal sitting by subway. And I got a taro pie. Taro and corn.
Yummy.
There's it here. Oh, it's so crummy. There's it here. I'm going to try it.
Good? Different?
Sweet and crunchy.
Yum.
I love taro.
You've pretty much tried taro pie from every fast food place there is.
Or taro connoisseur. I like... What's that place that we went to?
I think you like the McDonald's one the best. Jollibee? Jollibee.
That was our day. Travelling to Phuket Airport. It was really fun. We had a massage, obviously you guys could see. It was so good. Overall we had a really good day. I don't really like travel days, but this was an easy day.
Good watching.